Hi, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. Today I've got this mold. I'm going to let them be a secret. So, unless I've already put it on the thumbnail, which we never know with me. Let me get out my brush and my changer, the switching sponge from Dollar Tree. Makes life easier. I'm going to go ahead and paint this one, this laser Resineers Laser Mint Blue. I'm going to do glitter in that one. I'm just going to pour glitter in that one. And I'm going to paint mica paint all over that one. I have not done these yet, so I do not know exactly what they look like, but we shall see. I'm going to fast forward while I'm painting this so you don't have to watch me. I will be back when I have my resin mixed up. Got my resin all mixed up. I got a few cups out here. I've decided instead of going with that glitter, I'm going to go with this pink. Mix it in. You'll see. I'm going to separate these into a few different cups. Well, I won't need that one because I got this. It's full of bubbles only because it's warm. It's cold in here. It's only like 72 degrees Fahrenheit in here. I know that seems warm, but it's not. Not for resin. Okay, let's get started on pouring these in. That is a pretty pink glitter. It's a very fine glitter. Very light glitter. I got them off of Temu. See how pretty that is? Okay, let's get it poured in. I'm going to squishy-widgy it around a little bit because there's a lot of, excuse me, there's a lot of holes and stuff in there. A lot of nooks and crannies. Wonder if you figured it out yet. I just got this mold not too long ago, and I have been dying to try it. Oh, it takes very little. Okay. Set that there. And I'm going to mix a little bit of black in this one. Oop. Making a mess everywhere. I decided to go with my mica because I didn't want to get out my paste. Paste seems to be really messy. Although I'm dropping mica powder on my table here. Sorry. I've been coughing a lot because of all the sinus problems I'm having. Oops. Told you I'm messy. Big old bubble. Come on, pop. There you go. Come on, pop. Pop, bubble, pop. Give me my isopropyl alcohol, 91%. There. Let's fill that on up. I will have a little bit of leftovers, but I'll be all right. Now let's go ahead and mix this red. And I know I have way too much, but I got a mold here that I've been putting them in. I love that color red. It's like a candy apple red. It's out of the there you go. I'll put a link to it down below. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, top these up, give them a quick spray, and we'll be back on demold. Hi, welcome back. It's demolding day. I'm going to go ahead and start with this one. This one was the mica powder, I believe. It's a hat. Yeah, it was the mica powder. That turned out pretty neat. If you hadn't figured it out by now, these are all the hats. Oh, wow, this was the glitter with the red underneath it. That turned out cute. I think I got them a little bit too dark. I need to lighten them up. Instead of putting the black behind it or the dark behind it, I should have put a light behind it. And oh, that one is too cute. Yep, that's what I did. I should have put the light behind it instead of the dark. Oh, that's adorable. Well, if you like this channel, please subscribe, hit share, hit that thumbs up button. It really does help my channel. And thank you all to my subscribers that I have that have stuck with me since the beginning. Thank you for my new subscribers. And if you're new here, thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate you watching these. And y'all have a wonderful day. And thank you again. Bye for now.